In this, another type is dividend fund and growth fund. Okay, what is this dividend fund and growth fund? Okay, when a particular mutual fund A, okay, is there in dividend fund and growth fund. Growth fund is something where when a profit is made, it will be reinvested back into the mutual fund itself. Okay, a simple difference. Growth fund is when a profit is made, it will be reinvested back into the mutual fund itself, which will help you grow faster. Okay, whereas dividend is something when a profit is made, the mutual fund is going to give you some dividend on a periodic basis. Okay, so this is something where you're going to get some dividend on a periodic basis. This one will actually reinvest the money back into the mutual fund itself. So I would suggest always go for growth fund because wealth creation will be faster. Okay, do not take it out, guys. The objective of a mutual fund, okay, your objective of a mutual fund is very simple. Your objective is very simple. Okay, yeah, I'll repeat that. Your objective is very simple. You're not going, if you are thinking about short term, don't even start mutual fund. No use. Okay, think about minimum 10 years. Minimum. Okay, if you are going to put your money, you're not going to take it minimum of 10 years. See, objective is very clear. Wealth creation. And that is not going to happen overnight. Okay, it takes some time. But this can happen with small amount of capital. Okay, whether you don't have you have very small amount of capital, doesn't matter. 10 years minimum. Okay, minimum. I would suggest go for 20 years. My suggestion for everyone is to go for 20 years. Okay, you should forget it. When it comes to mutual funds, put your money and forget it. Okay, because you're going, how much are you going to put, guys, every single month? You're going to start with what, 5,000 maybe per month. Okay, don't think that. I've seen a lot of people doing this. When you're putting a 5,000 right for mutual fund, they'll be thinking, okay, I can go for a movie every single Sunday. Okay, I can actually go for a OT trip, this trip, that trip, and so on. They'll see that 5,000 is a big one, and they'll not do it. Okay, 20 years. Okay, I will tell you why. Because you'll be shocked by the amount that you're going to get. Okay, by this. Okay, anybody who is here who is at the age of below 25, people who are here below 25, type in me in the chat box. Type in me in the chat box. Wow, so many. Wow, good. Guys, people here below 25 age. Below 25 age. Good. If you are not getting retired or before 40, it means that you are wasting you have not done anything in the 15 years. Below 25, if you are 25, below 25, you should not retire. You should have the capability, or you should have enough wealth that at the age of 40, you should be thinking, okay, I can retire now. I don't want to retire. I love my job. Maybe you can do that. But you should have enough wealth and you should be confident that, okay, I can retire now. Okay, I am doing my job by choice, by willingness. Okay, that should be the situation when you're turning 40. Okay, like it's easy without any effort. If you want to retire by 40 and people who are less than 25, it's like jackpot. Okay, there are a few people who actually, when we do workshops and various for students and so on, we say that we make them start the mutual fund because by 35 itself they can retire. Okay, I'll tell you a proper financial plan also, something. Okay, with numbers I'll show you so that you can. It's easy. Okay, like you don't even have to put any effort at all for that. Still, but only when you turn 40, at that time you'll understand the value of what you have done 15 years. But yeah, everyone's objective is to actually, create wealth. Okay, whether you're 20s, 40s, 60s, doesn't matter. Okay, so make sure that you are actually holding it for a longer period of time. People on 50 plus and so on, they will plan. Okay, there are a lot of systematic withdrawal plans. So many other plans are also there. Okay, maybe that will cover, time permits will cover here or next session. But there's a plan. Always focus on wealth creation, nothing else. Yeah. one person was asking if a particular mutual fund is not performing for two quarters continuously. Say I'm asking, like, don't even worry about it. If a particular some mutual funds will be there when the market is down, it will not perform for 1 year. Okay, still you have to hold on. You have to keep on putting it. Okay, that's the discipline that you have to have. When it comes to mutual funds, it's always about discipline. Okay, so yeah, dividend. You're putting your money. This particular mutual fund will give you dividends. Okay, on a regular basis. Okay, and this one, it won't give you dividend. It will actually reinvest the profits back into the mutual fund itself for you. So this one is what you should be preferring. Growth is what you have to prefer because it will help you increase your wealth faster. Okay.